Your brakes are squeaking, the shop says it'll cost hundreds, and you're stuck waiting a week just to get in. What if I told you that you could change your own brakes? Safely, affordably, and step by step, right at home. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change your own brake pads and rotors. We'll walk through every tool, every step, and every safety tip, and save you hundreds of dollars per year in the process. Here's everything you'll need to get the job done right. 1. Jack and jack stands. Use a hydraulic floor jack to lift the vehicle and jack stands to support it safely. Never rely on the jack alone. 2. Lug wrench or impact wrench to loosen and remove the wheel lugs. 3. Socket set with ratchet and breaker bar, usually 12mm to 19mm sockets for caliper bolts. Breaker bar adds torque for stuck bolts. 4. Torque wrench for reinstalling bolts to manufacturer spec. 5. C-clamp or brake caliper compressor tool to compress the caliper piston before installing new pads. 6. Bungee cord or wire hanger to hang the caliper safely without stressing the brake line. 7. Wire brush to clean rust and debris from the caliper bracket and hub face. 8. Brake cleaner spray degreases rotors and hardware. 9. Brake grease. Apply to caliper pins and pad contact points to prevent squeaks. 10. Gloves, safety glasses, and shop towels for safety and cleanup. Let's prep. Park on a level surface. Set the parking brake. Chalk your rear wheels. Locate your vehicle's jack points. Check your owner's manual if you're unsure. Lift one corner, then place a jack stand securely under the frame. Never put any part of your body under the car unless it's supported by stands. And even then, keep limbs and tools clear in case of stand failure. Step 1. Remove the wheel. Use your lug wrench or impact to loosen the lugs while the car is on the ground. Once lifted and secured, remove the lugs and take off the wheel. Step 2. Remove the caliper. Use the socket and ratchet to remove the 2 bolts on the back of the caliper. Hang the caliper with a bungee cord. Don't let it dangle from the brake line. Step 3. Remove old brake pads. Slide out the old pads from the caliper bracket. Take note of how they're installed. Some use clips or shims. Step 4. Remove the caliper bracket. Optional if you're replacing rotors. Use your breaker bar or ratchet to remove the larger bolts. Take off the bracket and set aside. Step 5. Remove and clean rotor. If the rotor is stuck, tap with a mallet or use rust dissolver. Use your wire brush to clean the hub face. Spray the new rotor with brake cleaner to remove the oil coating. Step 6. Install new rotor if needed. Place the rotor onto the hub and secure it with a lug nut to keep it steady. Step 7. Reinstall bracket and lubricate. Reattach the caliper bracket and torque to spec. Apply brake grease to contact points and caliper guide pins. Step 8. Compress caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or piston tool to compress the piston back into the caliper. Go slow, don't force it. Step 9. Install new brake pads. Slide in the new pads. Reposition the caliper over them. Reinstall and torque the caliper bolts. Step 10. Reinstall wheel and lower vehicle. Tighten lug snug. Lower the car. Use a torque wrench to torque lugs to factory spec, usually around 85 to 100 foot-pounds. Final check, pump the brake pedal until it firms up before driving. That's it. You've just changed your own brakes. The average brake job at a shop runs $250 to $600. Doing it yourself can save you over $1,000 a year if you have 2 vehicles. No more shop delays, no more mystery costs, and the peace of mind knowing it's done right. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to DIY with Dad for more real-world how-tos. Drop a comment if you want to learn how to bleed brakes, check fluid, or take on your next garage project. See you in the next one.